Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and we're on the lake property today, and it's like our first day. We just got the keys, we did a walkthrough, and we're really pumped. But one thing we've never seen in is this crusty old shed back here. It had a lock on it. The realtor didn't have a key. We're hoping there's a water tank in there for water supply, drinking water, but we don't really know, and we're gonna find out today. I'm gonna knock the lock off. Let's go. I brought a light because I have no idea what it's going to be like in there. So here's the lock. It's kind of a combination lock, but we don't have a combination for it. So let's see if we can just knock it off. You ready for this? There is not a water tank. So this, oh, it might even have power. There is a light. This is a little workshop. Well, now I'm bummed. I don't have a water tank. That wasn't in the plans. Yeah, well, come on in. Wow, there is a lot of stuff in here. I'm a little underwhelmed, or overwhelmed, I think. I really wasn't expecting this. I had no idea that this was a little storage shed for tools and a bit of a workspace. But hey, it came with everything we're gonna need for the yard. There's the upside. Old wooden oar. I see a deer shed up there. Cobwebs. Some miscellaneous water pumps and fittings, and yeah, everything but a water tank. I was really hoping there was like a 500-600 gallon tank in here, and there's not. Bummer. Okay, well, what do we do? Anyways, we just acquired a whole bunch of stuff, but I guess we're gonna have to figure something out for water.